Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we will delve into SPY. Our initial report was published on Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 15th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SPY as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.92. Now, let's examine the exchange-traded fund's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced natural fluctuations, but at present, it reflects no change, maintaining a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The exchange-traded fund is positioned in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 13.22% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -20.98% and -9.86%. Shifting to a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 12.41%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 4.10% and 30.37% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price within a range of $559.64 to $700.88. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SPY ETF Price After Tuesday Trading. The SPY ETF price declined by 0.28% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 15th of April, 2025, dropping from $539.12 to $537.61. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.22%, ranging from a low of $536.81 to a high of $543.36. The price has decreased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has fallen by 4.16% over this period. Volume also decreased on the last day alongside the ETF, which is generally a positive indicator since volume should correlate with the ETF. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 12 million shares, with a total of 55 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $29.83 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $613.23, while the lowest price was $481.80. Currently, the price is 12.33%, or $75.62, below the 52-week high of $613.23, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 has marked a significant milestone, experiencing its first death cross in 3 years, as the 50-day moving average has fallen below the 200-day average. This technical pattern typically signals bearish sentiment, suggesting that investors may be losing confidence. In light of this development, we anticipate some short-term volatility as market participants reassess their positions and strategies. Today's news also highlights elevated trading volumes for SPY, indicating robust advisor interest in exchange-traded funds despite the market's unpredictable conditions. This enthusiasm could provide some support to SPY in the near term, particularly as investors seek refuge in more stable assets amid market turmoil. The broader context shows a mixed picture, with the S&P 500 rebounding after recent gains, partly due to certain technology sectors being exempted from tariffs. While this reflects potential positive momentum, the prevailing uncertainty surrounding trade policies may keep prices under pressure in the longer term. Overall, the combination of the death cross and ongoing market volatility suggests cautious trading ahead. Investors may need to remain vigilant and adaptable, as the implications of these trends can significantly impact SPY's performance in both the immediate and future horizons. The following signals have been identified for SPY. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen by 8.28%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is found. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near short-term development. The SPY ETF holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this indicates a general sell signal for the ETF, resulting in a more negative forecast. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $558.08. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the ETF will find support from the short-term average at $526.39. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will add another sell signal, thereby strengthening the overall signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which reduces overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence Sell Signal. Pivots, buy signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 35 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 27 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $524.58. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is being tested. This exchange-traded fund exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with strong trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated by $6.55 between its high and low, which is 1.22%. In the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 4.48%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SPY is at $548.62. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at $524.58. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $515.14, reflecting a decline of 4.18%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 5 days ago. Is SPY ETF a good buy? SPY holds several positive signals, but we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, which means holding or accumulating in this position while awaiting further developments. Our analysis conclusion for this ETF has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 16th of April, we expect SPY to open higher by $1.65, starting at $539.26. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.